Greetings to all home sound enthusiasts. At mfglobalstore, we present the LG Sn11Rg Soundbar, providing detailed reviews and in-depth analysis of the latest technologies in soundbars and more. Get ready to discover the best sound for your home. What makes the LG Sn11Rg Soundbar so special? Its advanced features that set it apart in the market. Channel compatibility with Dolby Atmos and DTS-X, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi compatibility, allowing you to wirelessly stream music from your favorite devices. But the most impressive aspect of the LG Sn11Rg Soundbar is its clear sound quality, high-resolution speakers, and advanced audio processing technology. Sound effects are reproduced with astonishing precision. I've had the opportunity to test the LG Sn11Rg Soundbar, and I'm thoroughly impressed with how good it sounds, from action movies to streaming music. If you're looking for a premium soundbar that offers surround sound and a complete cinematic experience, the LG Sn11Rg Soundbar is an excellent choice. We'd love to hear your opinion about the LG Sn11Rg Soundbar. Have you had the chance to try it out? Share your thoughts with us in the comments section. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and tech content.